I'm Karla Tafra, and I'm a certified yoga teacher registered with Yoga Alliance. I'm here to show you a quick little flow for mobility that can increase your mobility and actually just help you with recover after a tough bodybuilding or powerlifting or CrossFit or even a running session. So I want you to come into a little bit of a wider stance. Really activate your legs. Inhale all the way up, stretch out your arms. And then slowly come into a forward fold, placing your hands on the floor. And when you're here, you can even widen out your stance a little bit more, keeping your legs active, your quads and your hamstrings really active and tight. And then from here, slowly inhale, and then exhale, trying to bring your torso towards your legs. You can leave your hands on your legs, you can place them on the floor, whatever works. Really feel those hips getting open. And then slowly bring your hands back. Interlace your hands behind your back. And then let your hands fall down and guide you all the way towards the floor. Wherever you are in your practice, that is perfect for you and your body today. So respect that. And then slowly relax your hands all the way down. Place your left hand in center and slowly open it up to the side, trying to keep your hips in the same place and keeping them from popping open. And then slowly come to the other side. Inhale, really feel the opening, breathing into your obliques, into your core. And then slowly coming all the way down. And then bring your feet a little bit narrower. Bend your knees and bend them a lot. Come into a deep squat and place your hands in front of your heart. And then use your elbows to not just elongate your spine, but also open up your hips. Bring your knees all the way back. And then breathe here. This might not be the most comfortable position, but it's very effective. So keep on breathing, keep on pushing, keep on elongating your spine. And then slowly bring your right hand all the way down. And keeping your left knee open, you're gonna open it up to the side, really stretch it out. Use your right elbow to open up your right knee. And then slowly come to the other side. Inhale all the way up. Feeling that little twist in your obliques and in your abs, lower back. And then slowly come all the way down. Placing your hands in center. You're gonna bring our right leg all the way out. And it really doesn't matter if you're up on the ball of your feet, if you're down on your heel. I really just want you to feel the stretch in your hamstring, even in your quad and your calf. And you can lift up your toes, you can flex your foot, and just breathe here. The most important part is to keep your upper body active and strong and straight. So I really don't want you to hunch down and fall down. I want you to stay active. And then slowly, we're gonna walk to the other side, doing the same thing, whatever works for your body. Really remembering to keep everything active, strong, steady. And slowly come back to center. Coming back to your squat. Bringing it in one more time, elongating your spine, resetting everything. And then slowly taking it down all the way onto your bellies, coming into a really deep but effective shoulder stretch. So we're gonna extend our arms like a capital T, and we're gonna have our thumbs somewhere in line with our nose. And first, we're gonna keep our right hand where it is, bend our left, and slowly roll on top of our right shoulder. You can stay here if this is already too much. You can bend your left knee, stay here, or you can go even deeper, lifting your left hand up, coming all the way back, and maybe even grabbing your right hand. It may sound weird, but you might just be able to do it very easily. And then slowly coming back the same way you came in, that's very important, and doing it all on the other side. So shift, bring your leg back or stay here. Remember, do the same thing you did on the other side. Lift your hand up, bring it back. Maybe even clasp your hands. Breathe here. And then slowly coming out. Same way you came in. Resetting everything. And then coming all the way back. Opening your knees. And just resetting in child's pose, stretching everything out. And then slowly coming all the way back up. That is it. Very easy and effective way to get your mobility increased, and you can even do these little squats and flows even before your workout to loosen up those hips and get them ready for your workout. So yeah, for more content like this, follow bodybuilding.com.